In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a seller on Temu. Whether you've got a question about a product or need more detailed information before making a purchase, being able to reach out directly to a seller can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the steps to make this process smooth and straightforward for you. First things first, you need to go to the specific product you're interested in. If you're using the Temu app or website, simply navigate to the product page. Often, the product you want more information about is listed on the main shopping page. Scroll through or use the search function if you're looking for something specific. Click on the product to open its detailed page. Once you're on the product page, look for the Sold By section. This part of the page typically contains the seller's name and is usually accompanied by a small arrow symbol. Clicking on this section is key because it directs you to more detailed information about the seller. So when you locate this Sold By area with the arrow, go ahead and click on it. This action will lead you to the seller's detailed profile page. Now that you're on the seller's profile page, there's one more step to get those contact details. Here, you should see the seller's profile photo, among other information. What you want to do is click on that profile photo. Once you click, you will often find a range of contact information provided by the seller. Some sellers choose to provide their email addresses or even a contact number, making it easy for potential buyers like you to get in touch directly. However, keep in mind that not all sellers will have these details available. If they do provide their contact information, that's your golden opportunity to reach out with any queries or concerns you might have. It's important to remain patient during this process, as seller response times can vary. Some sellers are very prompt and will get back to you quite quickly, while others may take a bit longer. Remember, if you're emailing or texting, be clear and polite, stating the product you're inquiring about and your specific question or issue. This process of contacting a seller on Temu can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're eager to clear up any doubts before purchasing. By knowing how to navigate through Temu to get in touch with sellers, you ensure you have all the information you need to make informed buying decisions. I hope this guide has made it easier for you to contact sellers on Temu. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.